Assalamu alaikum everybody. So today's vlog is special because it's about Saudi Arabia's 93rd National Day celebration. Wow, yes. But it got even more incredible with the joining of
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Yeah, he joined the festives. Ronaldo ducked in a traditional Saudi Thobe, embraced the vibrant culture, from savoring local delicacies to dancing along the locals. He immersed himself in the heart of Saudi Arabia. His message to the crowd echoed unity and respect. And of course, when the night fell, the sky lit up with a mesmerizing fireworks display that left Ronaldo and the crowd in awe. It was a day of culture, warmth, and as Saudi Arabia marked its 93rd National Day.
And Cristiano Ronaldo is my favorite football player. So bye everybody. This is the end of the video.